In plant cells, cytokinesis occurs by right. The phase of cell cycle during which DNA polymerase is functionally active is right. The number of mitotic divisions required to produce 128 cells from a single cell is right. Which statement is correct for meiosis? A. Meiosis I is reduction division. Right. Which of the following is the longest phase of meiosis? A. Right. The following diagram shows modification of the meiosis II for storage. Right. G phase is A. End of mitosis and the start of S phase. B. End of S phase and the start of mitosis. C. Start of S phase and the start of mitosis. S phase in the end. Right. At which stage of mitosis the chromatids separate and pass to different poles? A. Prophase. B. Right. During meiosis, the crossover occurs between A. Sister chromatids of homologous chromosomes. B. Non-sister chromatids of homologous chromosomes. C. Sister chromatids of non-homologous chromosomes. D. Right. Which of the following is not true for anaphase? A. Golgi body and are formed. B. Right. The longest phase of meiosis I is A. Metaphase I. B. Prophase. Right. Cyclin protein is required for cell cycle. Which other molecule is essential for the completion of cell cycle? A. CC. Right. Which is the correct statements from the following? I. Synapses of homologous chromosomes takes place during prophase I of meiosis. 2. Division of centromeres takes place during anaphase I of meiosis. 3. Spindle fibers disappear completely in telophase of mitosis. IV. Nucleoli reappear at telophase I of meiosis. A. Right. Assertion. The complex formed by a pair of synapsed homologous chromosomes is called a bivalent or a tetrad. Reason. The first two stages of prophase I are relatively short-lived when compared to the next stage, that is Paquetan. A. If reason is not a correct, right.